Micu gangguan kejiwaan selama pandemi.
Menimbulkan gangguan kesehatan mental.
Corona bisa mempengaruhi kesehatan jiwa.
Anak-anak depresi akibat pandemi corona.
Almost 2 years since COVID-19 hit the whole world, and almost that long since the first time we used online learning and working from home as a substitution for not being able to learn face-to-face. As the final result of online learning and working from home, the stress level gets higher every day. Not a little, there are a lot of people committing suicide because they couldn't handle the stress. Stress can harm the physical body as well as the mind. There are a few ways to relieve their stress, including sharing the story or problem that makes them anxious with people around them, or visiting a psychiatrist or a psychologist. However, a bad stigma has developed in Indonesia that discourages people from visiting mental health experts for fear of being ostracized, and people may not be able to take advantage of mental health services to their full potential because of the stigma. As a result, many Indonesians experience severe stress and do dangerous things to relieve stress. Report by Perhimpunan Dokter Spesialis Kedokteran di Indonesia, most Indonesians cannot manage their stress in 2020. Due to the existing problems, we are proud to present our innovation called Chata. Chata is an application that can be used to solve your problem by using existing technology. This application was developed to help relieve or reduce the stress problem in Indonesia, especially the efforts of the Indonesian people to be able to manage their stress well.
And I'm Amalina Ramada Pratini. I want to show you the Chata application. First of all, you must download this application to the Google Play Store. After you have downloaded it, you can open it and log in or sign up for an account. This is the dashboard, which displays two options: start sharing stories or choose character first. In the menu of characters, you will see there are many categories of characters for you to apply to your conversations friends. When you finish in the character selection menu, you will see something like this. Here is the main screen where the conversation is displayed. Through the application, you can tell your story and talk to a psychologist to acquire insight peace in the end. Okay, Jasmine, you can take over the presentation.
Thank you, Amel. And my name is Jasmine Reina, and I'm gonna take over the presentation from now. So we collect data via surveys and interviews to facilitate data collection and to consolidate existing data. We collect data using Google Forms shared via the link to the Google Form. We collect the survey for 1 week from 12 to 19 October 2021 and receive 168 response. As you can see in this diagram, total of 61.9% of respondents state that they strongly agree that their mental health in this pandemic already changed. As shown in this diagram, 73.2% of respondents have friends with whom to share stories. And as in this diagram, we can conclude in a rating of 32.5% of respondents choose to keep the problem by themselves, and 89.9% choose to not consult with the expert or psychologist. According to 25.6% of respondents, they are generally concerned with the cost of the meditation, while 18.9% are concerned with the negative stigma from those around them. We do an interview for collecting the data, and the interview took place on 22 October 2021. And based on the interview, we can conclude most of the client age are the teenagers, and most of the teenagers consult about insecurities, not being appreciated, losing someone, and want to doing suicide. Psychology uses several different techniques to respond to the consultation, including probing, understanding, supporting, interpreting, and evaluating. In conclusion, a psychologist helps clients resolve problems and encourage them in their growth process to help them handle today's and tomorrow's challenge. That's the end from me, and Hannah, you can take over the presentation from now.
Thank you, Jasmine and Raina. I'm gonna take this presentation for now. My name is Hannah Rizkia, and I will explain the result of discussion. We took several objects as a result of a literature study. This is the Sophia robot, the Zepeto application, AI, Android, and also psychologists. First, Sophia robot. The Chata application is inspired by Sophia robot that can hear and respond to human stories. However, the Chata application was made simpler through an Android application so that anyone can use it without being limited to certain circle. Second, Zepeto. To be able to communicate comfortably, user can freely create characters according to their wishes to listen to them while sharing stories. Third, AI, or speech signal processing. The Chata application is designed with AI roles in which the system will be trained to be able to respond to human conversation. This role of AI can make people share about anything without worrying about the bad stigma that will be faced in the future. Fourth, smartphone technology. The Chata application is specifically for Android smartphone user. This thing is considered because the average of Indonesia people are using Android. Besides, the developer can develop it freely without being burdened by the expensive cost by using Android. The Chata application can be used in Android smartphones starting from version 8.0.0 or the Oreo version. 5. Psychologists. After someone shares a story through this application, the ultimate goal is to obtain peace, like sharing a story with a psychologist. Therefore, a psychologist's role is needed so that the system in processing and conveying words follows the existing psychology. According to the study result about the design of the Chata application, some conclusion can be drawn that Indonesia people need the Chata application. It can be seen from the statistic of data result and interview that we have done. Chata application is very possible to be realized because the application is a combination of similar existing technology that is beneficial for Indonesian people. The ultimate goal of the development of the application is to help Indonesian people, especially in facing stress problems. Therefore, it can be expected that the stress number in Indonesia can decrease as time flies. That's from us, Cat Creative Biomedical Engineering 21 Telkom University.
Ever felt overwhelmed by pressure when you wanted to be in something? Or when you wanted to tell your stories, you didn't have anyone with whom to share them? It's something we've all experienced at least once, right? At first, I was struggling because of that. But since my friend recommended an app called Chata to me, I'm no longer struggling. So basically, Chata is a virtual friend application for those who don't have anyone to share story with, and the unique thing about Chata is we can define our virtual friend. Isn't that amazing, right? I must confess, after sharing my stories with my virtual friend on Chata, I feel like the stress was gone. And now, I can do my task without feeling pressure again. So, at the end of the day, I highly recommend this Chata. Because when I didn't have anyone to share my stories, Chata helped me a lot. Chata, your virtual friend for making your day better.